Hello, I'll be showing you how to unbox a oxygen concentrator. So this is the cartoon of this oxygen concentrator. So once you open, you will find a warning tip. So this is a warning tip which tells you that on the bottom of the oxygen concentrator there are two screws and you have to unscrew it using the tool. Only these are used only when these screws has to be put only when it is transported. And this is the user manual. And there are two sets of tubes. One is a shorter length, one is a larger length. So if patient is sitting, they can use this. If patient is reclined in a bed, they can use this tube. And this is actually an air filter which has to be kept behind the air oxygen concentrator. Actually, this is a extra air filter which is given by the manufacturer. So only there is one filter inside, so it has to be, that filter has to be regularly changed. Means once in a month it has to be cleaned. In case that filter missed, you can use this filter. And this is a nebulizer cup. A nebulizer cup, you can open it. You can see there is a maximum line and there is a minimum line. And the water level should be always in between. It should not cross maximum. It should not be below minimum. It should be somewhere in the 75%, 80% area. So it's a tube. So this tube has to be connected to here. This is the quality certificate. It's well packed. And now you can so this is the filter. So this is one we are giving redundant one, and once in a month it has to be cleaned. So this has to be fixed here. Now below this oxygen concentrator there will be two screws. So these screws are kept while it is getting transported. While you are using this, you have to unscrew it. So there is a key for this. Using this key, you have to unscrew it while you are using. But if you are transporting to a large distance, so you have to remove it. Now oxygen concentrator is ready to use for the further use. The basic unpacking is over. Now we will show you how to put water and how to connect it to the power. Now we are showing you one of the features of this oxygen concentrator. That is this no power alarm. And we are switching on this oxygen concentrator, and to switch on we have to press this button. Here is the liter per minute. Now it is a 5 liter per minute. So this is the oxygen outlet. Now it's 4 liter per minute, 3 liter per minute, 2 liter, 1 liter, 0. So here is the oxygen coming out. Okay. oxygen coming out. There's a power failure. So there's a power failure alarm. And the power failed. And so this will alert the people nearby patient with an audio alarm, as well as there is a LED indication alarm. So audio alarm means that there is no power for this concentrator, so you will get alerted. Actually, there is a brass safety valve inside this. In case the pressure go above a particular limit, this brass safety valve will come out, and it is a safety feature. So you have to put it here, and then you have to fill this purifier bottle with below the maximum level. You can press this. Actually, the purpose of this bottle is that you will get a wet oxygen instead of a dry oxygen. If you directly take tapping from here, also you will get a direct oxygen. You can directly take from here. You can directly take from here, but what will happen is you will get a very dry oxygen. So if you want a wet oxygen, so it is preferable to connect the oxygen outlet to this. Now I'm going to switch on the machine with the switch on. So you can see the oxygen is passing through water, and it is flowing through this tube, and I am getting a wet oxygen to both my nasal holes. So I am now getting 95% pure oxygen. So what is available in the air is 21% oxygen, and balance is nitrogen, and balance is other type of gases. So now the nitrogen is removed inside this using a sieve technology. There are two compressors in this, and using these two compressors, again it is purified, and it is used a German technology. German sensors and German compressors are used so that this can be purified to 95% limit. So one of the features of this is that even if we increase or reduce the flow level, the oxygen purity remains same. As one of the main features of this. Most of the concentrators, as the level goes to 5 liters per minute, the oxygen concentration reduces. Here it almost remains 90, between 93 to 95. And here you can set the time, how much time you want. Suppose you want for, so the first digit shows the hour, and the second two digits shows the minutes. So you can see, you can increase the time, or you can reduce the time, how much hour you want this. After that, this will stop, automatically will stop. And this shows the total hours in which this oxygen concentrator is being used. So suppose it is 10 hours this machine is used, so it will show 10 hours. It's a totalizer function. And this is for error code. There are 5 types of error code. So these 5 error codes will be shown in this. And here, if there is any problem for this concentrator, it will be displayed into this error code. This display will be from green to, it will become red. And there are 5 error code E01, 02, 03, 05. Like that, 5 error codes are there. Once we know the error code, we can understand what is the issue, whether it's a low voltage, whether it is any other issues, or there is a over under voltage, or various functions has been given in it. you will understand based on the error code. But this is a brief introduction to you on the oxygen concentrator, and you can see behind this oxygen concentrator German technology. Here's where the inlet air goes. So thank you for watching. This product is available with us with Sundar Techno Solutions, Bangalore. We are offering 2-year warranty, and we can offer you a delivery, quick delivery anywhere in India, irrespective of which part of India you are. Thank you.